Welcome back to the show. India's Supreme Court has delivered a landmark ruling. Five popular stand-up comedians, Samay Raina, Vipul Goyal, Balraj Paramjeet Singh Ghai, Sonali Thakkar, and Nishant Jagdish Tamwar, are in the spotlight. The court has directed them to issue public apologies on their YouTube channels and social media platforms. The reason? Their jokes about persons with disabilities. The case. The petition was filed by the Cure SMA Foundation of India, an advocacy group working with families affected by spinal muscular atrophy, a rare genetic disorder. They argued that comedians had used disabilities as punchlines, reducing real struggles into public mockery. They said this is not comedy. It is cruelty. The court stand a bench led by Justice Surya Kant agreed. The court ruled that these remarks are not covered under the constitutional right to free speech. Free speech protects criticism, dissent, even satire. But it does not protect ridicule of marginalized communities. The judges said such jokes spread stigma, deepen prejudice, and directly harm the dignity of disabled citizens. They order the comedians must now issue unconditional public apologies. These apologies must be posted on the same platforms where the offensive content appeared: YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. If they refuse, the court warned of penalties and stricter legal consequences. Larger implications. The court did not stop here. It went further, urging the Government of India to create formal guidelines for social media content, especially to safeguard vulnerable groups. This is a significant step. India has seen a rapid rise in stand-up comedy on digital platforms. But the ecosystem has been largely unregulated. While comedians defend jokes as creative freedom, victims argue that unchecked humor normalizes discrimination. The balance. So where does one draw the line? The Supreme Court's answer is clear: humor is welcome, but hate is not. Free speech is vital, but dignity is non-negotiable. Comedians can punch up at power, but not punch down on those already marginalized. Why it matters? India has nearly 27 million people with disabilities, according to census data. Many already face exclusion in education, employment, and social life. When public figures use disability as material for cheap laughs, it worsens isolation. This ruling is recognition. It says persons with disabilities deserve respect. Their dignity cannot be sacrificed for entertainment. The digital space is not beyond accountability. Closing thought. Comedy is powerful. It can challenge authority, spark reflection, and unite people. But the same power can wound. The Supreme Court's message is simple. Laughter cannot come at the cost of humanity.